Hi friends, thanks for joining. Today we are going to make cloud bread. Doesn't that sound amazing? Catherine and I are so excited because it just sounds so cute and so yummy. It's a recipe that we saw on TikTok. Some of you may have seen it, but we wanted to see if it would taste good. It's definitely Instagram worthy. They show these beautiful, fluffy, bread-like things that they open up and it becomes this like beautiful color. But we want to see if it tastes good too, because we don't have time to make things that are just pretty. We have a family to feed, so we're gonna make it today and we're gonna let you know all the real details if it's worth your time and money. And the other benefit is that there's only 3 ingredients. It's just egg whites, white sugar, and cornstarch. I've never made anything with only 3 ingredients, so let's get started.
So the first thing we need to do is froth our egg whites. Your egg whites should be room temperature to help us in making fluffier egg whites. So if you're like me, because I forgot, I went ahead and cracked them 10 minutes before, and then I just placed my bowl in some warm water hoping that that would help. It actually really did. So a little tip. Okay, so we're going to start frothing these, and as they get frothier, we're going to start adding in our other ingredients. So now we're going to add in a very important ingredient, which is the cornstarch. And I'm also, Gina, and I don't know if you're going to do it, I'm going to add just a teeny tiny droplet of vanilla extract.
I am not.
Ooh.
Let's compare the differences. I just
Okay.
feel like it's the eggy batter, so vanilla and egg. I know we just put sugar in it, but I don't feel like the egg and vanilla really go together. So I guess the question is this going to taste more eggy or is it going to taste more sweet?
Now is also the time to add in your food coloring.
I'm doing blue. What color?
Okay, I'm doing neon pink.
Oh.
Now we're going to beat this until it gets nice and fluffy, till it's nice and stiff.
Done. Okay. So the next step is to scoop it up and put it into your greased pan. I use parchment. But I have a little confession behind the scenes. This is actually my second batch. My first batch I made did not get to that thick whipped texture. Catherine, the smart one, she told me that there can't be any egg yolk in it at all, and she asked if maybe some had slipped in. And it so happens I used this opportunity to teach my youngest son how to separate the whites from the yolk. So I let him do it, and we did get a little bit of yolk out. I took out as much as I could. Man, I mean, you've heard baking is a science. It is picky. It is a science, so it caught me.
So because I added in some vanilla extract, I'm also going to top mine off with a little sprinkle just to be extra cute. So we're going to stick this in the oven at 300 degrees for about, what, 20-25 minutes? And
Yep.
Let it cool, and then we're going to come back and we're going to be floating on some clouds, I guess.
All right, the moment we've been waiting for. It is done. We have our cloud bread. And now to see first if it's as beautiful as it looks on TikTok. And then we're gonna actually taste it to see if it's even worth eating. Mine is really sticky, like everywhere I touch it. So I'm gonna spray my fingers. That's how sticky mine are. Okay, I'm ready.
Is that satisfying? Ooh.
This is the weirdest thing I've ever eaten.
Hands clean. Gina, on a scale of 1 to 5, what do you think in terms of how easy this cloud bread was to make? Yeah. Now, the moment of truth.
It ain't a 5.
Okay, so on a scale of 1 to 5, what do you think in terms of the taste of this cloud bread?
I almost wrote a 1, but I thought I'll reserve that for something that I can't digest.
Right.
It's really sticky, like cotton candy that's been sitting in the car, like really condensed. You could see like wherever I touched it, it stuck to my fingers. And then when I ate it, it had that light fluffiness you would imagine when you eat it, but it tasted kind of like eggs though, so the texture didn't match the taste.
I added the vanilla extract in here. Didn't make a difference. Did not make a difference. No.
So I, like in the beginning, we were talking about like, will it taste more like an egg, even though there's sugar, or will it be more sweet? So I was leaning towards eggy taste, which is why I had a plate of bacon prepared. Because I thought it would still be kind of good, taste like eggs, and then I would just serve it with some bacon.
So Gina and I are happy Ace came back this week. Make sure you like this video, subscribe so that you can get updates on new videos that we upload. Well, thanks for joining us, and we will see you guys in the next video. Thanks, guys.